Not a royal, great park. It's just a local community along the side of the river. There are no rough sleepers, there are no drug addicts, and there are no trash. There are no rubbish, there's no waste disposed. There's no fly tipping. I've walked more than 10 kilometers. There's absolutely none of it. And this is not just because they don't care. It's just because they have been given the relevant, the most important education, which is to be conscious in life. And that consciousness has driven the society to respect one another and not dispose of their personal refuse as they walk along the stretch of water, a national park, or even somebody else's backyard or the front garden. They're just being extremely conscious about their conduct. Simple.